Sige. So, ito po guys yung Vietnamese food. So,
Hi guys.
okay, so what is the name of this food?
Vietnam
Chicken.
We sometimes often I like cook bacon, canh trứng,
Canton.
canh trứng,
Canton.
no, canh.
It's difficult to pronounce. Siya nga pala guys si Chichen from Vietnam. Can you introduce yourself? Yeah.
Hi,
Chichen. Hi there.
my name is Susie. I'm my family.
Yes. So, what is the name of the food that you're cooking today?
Could I have something canh trứng?
Yun nga po ang Canton. So, difficult to pronounce the Canton. Okay. It's okay, no? Okay. Parang mga gulay-gulay ng guys. Parang sa Ilocano, mga Bulacan lang yata ito.